Good morning, student. Once again, here I am in front of you. Today I will start the topic latitude and longitude. On my previous class, I had already explained about latitude. Now today I will explain what is longitude. It is an angular measurement ranging from 0 degree at the prime meridian to 180 degree eastward and 180 degree westward. Longitude. It is an angular measurement ranging from 0 degree at the prime meridian to 180 degree eastward and 180 degree westward. This is the definition of longitude. 180 degree eastward means 180 degree eastward and 180 degree westward. Prime meridian. This line is the prime meridian. Again I am repeating the definition. Longitude, it is an angular measurement ranging from 0 degree at the prime meridian. Means 0 degree prime meridian. This line is the prime meridian. To 180 degree eastward. 180 degree eastward means from prime meridian to 180 degree eastward and 180 degree to westward. Now, some more thing about longitude, that longitude are also known as meridians. Longitude are also known as meridians. These meridians are vertically drawn semicircle joining the North Pole and South Pole. These are the longitude. These longitude are also known as meridians, and these are vertically semicircle. These are vertically semicircle joining the North Pole and the South Pole. There will be question arise in your mind that what is meridian? So let me to clear you that meridian, the term meridian means midday. The term meridian means midday. All the places which located on a particular meridian means all the places which located on a particular meridian have the same time midday. Midday means all the places which are located in the meridians have the same time. Midday means same time noon. Okay. There are 360 meridian, like there are 180 latitude. In the same way, there are 360 meridian in all. 180 meridian towards the east direction and 180 meridian towards the west direction. Now prime meridian. Prime meridian. It is the imaginary line which passing through Greenwich is called prime meridian. It is the imaginary line which passing through Greenwich. Greenwich is a name of a place which is located near London. Greenwich is the name of a place which is located near London is called prime meridian. Just like equator, prime meridian is also an imaginary line. It divides the earth into two parts, eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Our earth equator like that, it divides the earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. It is just like equator. It is also an imaginary line which divides the earth into eastern hemisphere, means this part is the eastern hemisphere and this one is the western hemisphere. Why it is needed to number the meridians? Why we number the meridians? To locate the place. We number the meridians to locate the place, and each meridian are drawn at an interval of 1 degree. At an interval of each meridian are drawn at an interval of 1 degree. 180 degree meridian towards the east direction and 180 degree meridian towards the west of the prime meridian. Longitude, as I have already told that, it is also known as meridian. The 180 degree of meridian east and 180 degree meridian of the west are the same line, means 180 degree meridian of the eastward, means this word, and 180 degree meridian of the westward are the same line and are called international date line. Now, locating place on the globe. How to locating place on the globe? Locating places on the globe. On my previous class, that we have seen so many lines on the globe, and these lines are imaginary line. They are called latitude and longitude. In the same way, latitude and longitude and longitude are the form network network of line is called grid. Means these are the longitude and this is the equator and these are the latitude. This network of line is called grid. What is the use of the grid? A grid, with the help of the grid, we can easily locate any place on the Earth's surface. Grid help us to locate the place easily on the Earth's surface. Now today we end our class with your assignment. Have a good day.